All right, everybody, welcome back to another video. As you can see here, we have received a package from Badgeskins, and wait till you guys see what is in this box. Let's open it up and show you guys what we got. So first of all, opening it up. Before we start, special thanks to Badgeskins for sending us this package. And as you can see, as I unroll it here, we have a Yellow DRL tint for my B9.5 Audi S4. And as you guys can see here, it is pretty much just a stick-on, very easy install. We will record and show you throughout the install of how easy it is to put on. But again, special thanks to Badgeskins for sending us these DRL tints. And this will make a huge difference on the S4 because it is the Ascari Blue, as you guys know, the color on the S4 with the Yellow DRL tint. Should look very nice. And we have this in the package, plus Badgeskins also sent us a sticker. And then you have some installation tools as well as a pen. And then you have kind of the squeegee tool to press just so you can get rid of all the bubbles. All right, guys, so we just finished the install up. As you can see, we have Badgeskins Yellow DRL tint on the car, on the S4. And even without the lights on, you can see how nice this car looks just with the yellow and the blue combo, which is kind of what I was going for, which is why I was looking for a product that offered, because I heard with the S4s, they don't let you change the modules out like the BMWs do, where you can put a chip in for your DRLs, just change the color. These cars, you just have to kind of tint over it. And even with the lights off, it still looks pretty decent. As you can see, the yellow still looks nice. And we will give you guys a reveal with the headlights on to show you what it looks like. So let me go do that. And it looks way better, I'll tell you. We already got the reveal going. It looks way better. Let's turn the lights on here. You can see we have our DRLs on. And there it is with the Yellow DRL tint from Badgeskins. The car looks 10 times better with this yellow tint. And it's kind of hard to pick up on camera. I can see it doing weird things just because with the light and the camera, it doesn't react the same. But you could still see how nice the DRLs and how aggressive this car looks just with changing the DRLs. You don't even have to do any, actual, this is a cosmetic mod, but you don't have to put just a front lip on, or those will make a huge difference. But look at how simple this mod is and how big of a difference it makes. So I'm very happy with the Yellow DRLs from Badgeskins. As you can see, it also tints out the side markers as well. So it kind of gives it a nice look. So you don't have the yellow and the orange kind of competing. You just have the yellow and then the black blends in with your black accents. But it looks way better. And every angle so far that I've shown, this car looks even better. And the install was pretty simple with the Badgeskins toolkit. So if you guys are looking to get this product from Badgeskins, make sure to get their toolkit as well, as it does help you with this kind of squeegee and the other tools. But again, big shout out to Badgeskins for sending us this DRL tint kit and also the toolkit. And look at how much of a difference this makes on the car. The install was fairly simple to do. You have, like we were saying, the squeegee, and we got so involved with the install, we didn't really film it, but it is very easy to do. And Badgeskins also has a video on their TikTok, but you basically want to start from one end. So you put one end down first. We put down the middle, the kind of center area down first, and then worked our way over to the outside near the corner where the black part is there, the black tint. And you want to kind of lift as you go, lift as you use the squeegee. So lift up the end part, and then as you're squeegeeing over to kind of get rid of all the bubbles and creases. And make sure you wash your headlights first, or at least clean them off just so you don't get any dirt and debris under there. But as you can see with the finished product here, and you can see with the Yellow DRL tint, it transformed my S4. Once again, thank you to Badgeskins. And if you guys are looking for this product, there will be a link in our description, and that will wrap up the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Please drop a like if you like the way the S4 looks with the Yellow DRLs. And also, let us know in the comments what you think. And we'll see you guys in the next video.